Hey everyone, today may be a little windy in your forecast today, or maybe not for you, but for us, we have our second AC and I'm so excited about it. Welcome to our channel, OLOPRV.
Yes.
I'm Jonathan, and this is Curtis, my husband.
Yes.
And this week we've been very busy. We fixed the leak of the roof hatch. We actually just took the whole thing out and we put a brand new one in. And we don't have any troubles with the leaks now.
Brand new to us.
Brand new to us. We put some nice silicone caulking around the whole entire thing. And I think we got it all fixed. And the deck is actually put in. And I was going to show you some pictures of before and after we were doing the construction and all that.
Right.
So we'll do that now.
Next is AC.
Yes, we have the back AC going in the bedroom, and we also have one right here in the living room area now.
Yes.
What does that do, Curtis?
We have two 9,000 BTU mini splits with a 23 CRS EER efficiency. So they run really nice off of solar.
Mm-hmm.
And so we should be able to stay cool or hot in any weather.
Right. And we did have a little bit of troubles installing it. We actually had everything wired up and everything, and it would not, we're not sure if we kinked the wire or whatnot, but somehow it kind of shorted out a little bit.
I was doing it by myself, and pulling wire is not something you need to do by yourself, especially underneath the bus. And so today we got after it. We pulled new wire. His father actually helped. So
all three of us out there.
It made it go by very easy. Now everything works beautiful.
We're so excited about that, and they work together also. We still have to get it vacuumed in the very front, but we have the one in the back going at 72. It's drawing air in the front, and it's actually cycling it nicely, so whatever's in the back, if it's 72 back there, it is 72 up here. So it's working really good, just keeping it, what is that called?
Circulated.
Circulated properly.
Yep.
And it works really well. We're very excited just to have that working, because it was getting kind of warm up here, and now it's kind of chilly, so it's actually cool.
Right. We love it.
Mm-hmm. Normally I would ask the question, what makes Woody the bus home to us? And I would ask Curtis this, but we've talked about this all for a while now.
Yes.
When we started the trip, thinking about the trip, we have already started changing our ways of thinking where home is and what home is to us. And I think we're in agreement.
Yes.
Of what we want in a home and how we consider home is
right.
Curtis, the dogs, and being safe and a place to sleep. And as long as you have those things, I think your home could be anywhere.
Hey, I got top billing. I'm happy.
Yeah. If you get somebody's personal definition of everything, they're so different from person to person depending on their situations, their financial means, and what they're going through. It changes your outlook on what you think about things. Right. Just like the word luxury. Yes. Luxury to someone may not be luxury to me. Only thing I think is luxury is a pool. So, but we don't need all the luxury with us. We have water. So
you have your tub, so you can splash around in there.
That's right. I got my tub, and I can splash around in the tub. Anyway.
So the other thing that we've realized is we don't need that much stuff. And going to a bus will be really good for both of us.
Yes.
Because both of us, we're not hoarders, but we're definitely collectors of stuff.
Yes.
And honestly, we've realized on this trip, we don't use half the stuff we brought. So we've taken a bunch of stuff off, and we will go, even though this will be a longer trip, we are going to go with a little less stuff than we did the last 3-month trip.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We're excited about that. And at first, I was limiting myself only 15 pants and 15 shirts. Realized I need a little more than just 15. So just changing the way we organize in here and where we're putting things storage-wise.
Yeah, I'm talking pots and pans and
everything.
Just stuff.
Yeah,
we
we
don't
have
need
way
as
too
much
much stuff.
Right.
Yeah, we need one big pot,
Just a couple.
a couple small pots, and
Yep.
something to bake in, and that's all we really need,
Right.
and that kind of thing.
Right.
And that's what we're really talking about: living life minimal. And so I hope us on the road and be happy.
Right.
You know, less
Not
stuff.
minimalist, but minimal. You know, just bring what you need.
More minimal than what we, most people would say.
Right.
But we do have every appliance here, so I don't know how minimal that is. With our air fryers and microwaves, but we have solar, and we're going to use it, and and it's free for us, and that's how rewarding is that.
Right.
Traveling off the road, we cannot wait to get on the road.
Yes.
Hopefully in 2 weeks, a week and a half, 2 weeks. Or less.
Yes.
We'll keep y'all posted exactly when we
We're definitely getting it. We're getting
down
I'm
to
not
the
cabin
nitty-gritty.
fever. That's not the right word because it's the opposite of that. We're ready to get in the bus. We love our bus. We sleep better in the bus.
Mm-hmm.
The dogs like riding in the bus. We like sightseeing and getting out. And I'm looking forward to getting a little more active.
Yes.
Jonathan's already starting on getting the winter hibernation weight off. I'm a long ways from it, but
You gotta
I am
start
getting
somewhere.
motivated, and carrying all this extra weight is not good for me. So my goal is to take this trip to really work on it and
Soul search.
right. And it's tough because you think, God, I got to crawl under the bus all day, or I got to do this, I got to do that, and it puts you into this mode of, shit, I don't want to do anything. So, but I've beaten that back, and I'm ready, and we're getting stuff done. I mean, we had 2 weeks of just terrible weather, and now we've had
beautiful weather.
Beautiful weather, not so hot,
Mm-hmm.
but hot, and we're getting it done.
And we do have to do a few things before we do get on the road, and it's minor things now. It's painting the bathroom is what my goal is going to be today. A lot of times Curtis works in the bus almost all the time, and then I do more stuff in the house, trying to get things organized and doing the things that I can do, like construction-wise, at the house, versus so we can kind of work together to get us on the road a little bit faster. What else projects are we going to...
Air horn.
Air horn has to be done. You can't...
Gotta have an air horn.
He's going to drive everybody off the road with that air horn.
That thing we have now, oh my gosh.
What else?
Our tow car has a bit louder horn than this bus.
What else?
Air horn.
Air
That's
horn.
most important.
Most important.
Putting in my chair, so I have an armrest.
Yes, we have a swivel coming in. We didn't think we were going to actually get the chair completed.
Be here Friday.
After all that work we've already done and all those videos we did already. So
yes.
we get it in Friday, so we're excited.
Yes.
And we're going to do some stairs for the back, so we can have, when we do our tiny house tours, people can come in the back and go out the front, or vice versa. Not sure what we're going to do yet with that.
So if you come to visit, we're going to let you come in the back door and go out the front door. Just don't plan on
Make
sitting
sure
down.
you say hey, no matter what. I got some free
Don't
stuff
plan
to
on
give
sitting
you.
down. Just
We are going to get to the transfer pump so we can access 75 of our gallons of water.
Yep.
And it's useless to have it if you can't access it. So we're going to put some time in it next week to get that going.
Yeah, our pump's not strong enough to lift it up to where the tank is now. So what I thought would work is not working. So we got to put a transfer pump to put that 75 that's under the bus into the 75 that's in the back of the bus, so we can keep it rotated and fresh.
You got to use the water, if not it gets stagnant and it will get bacteria in there.
Yep. And the pump, I can't remember what that other thing's called.
I'm not sure if we're going to do the pressurized pump. Oh, we are going to do that. We are going to do that.
Yes. That's definitely something we'll get done.
But besides that, I think that is pretty much our list. We're keeping it a little more simple. We had out a huge list, and we was like, you know what? We want to go on the road, and we're tired of this game of we're going to get in it next week, or we're going to do it in 3 weeks, and 3 weeks it always goes to 4 weeks, and the 5 weeks there's always something to do. You're not going to complete it, so let's get on the road.
Correct.
So, but I hope you're enjoying our videos and being with us. So keep on the journey with us, please. it'll be a lot funner once we get on the road.
Yes.
Keep y'all updated.
More to talk about, show you our travels. And
we're going to have our GoPro in the very front so you can kind of see us coming and going and that kind of thing. It should be very interesting. I'm excited.
No drone
about that.
yet, but we'll be doing the best we can.
Yeah, not drone. No drone yet, but we will.
Drone yet. One day.
In the future. So stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe.
Hit the bell notification.
Bing.
Bing. Bye.
Bye.